At this point, ladies and gentlemen, may we call in First Lieutenant Demir Bakasmas, AGS, Philippine Army, the Assistant Commander of the IRIS ROTC unit, to introduce the keynote speaker.
To our guest, Superintendent Hernandez, sir, the IRIS alumni, Inspector Bacani, sir, and Chief Master Sergeant from Navy, sir. To our tactical officer, Lieutenant Tagig. To our visitor from NCRRCDG, Lieutenant Bilangin. And to other alumni of the IRIS ROTC unit. To our guests, audience, visitors, good afternoon. Before I go on to my given task, may I first ask favorable consideration to the absence of our commandant for these activities due to the annual Philippine Army anniversary, where his presence is badly needed for his assigned task. Anyway, in behalf of our commandant, without much ado, it is a great pleasure and privilege to me to introduce our guest of the speakers of today's presentation of sponsor, the man who is always understanding and always willing to offer his helping hand that makes our ROTC activities successful in all times. In witness, with that, here comes a successful presentation of sponsor and one of our major activities where our cadet and cadets presented together with their sponsor.